I'd like to say a few things about fentanyl. Fentanyl is a synthetic opioid. In the exact terms, an opiate is natural, an opioid is contains both synthetic and natural products. But fentanyl is a powerful, powerful analgesic, many times stronger than morphine. And morphine is the active ingredient with heroin. Heroin is metabolized very quickly, so if there's a very narrow window where somebody could detect heroin in the blood, but you can see the morphine. But anymore, when we do urine tests, we very rarely see morphine. But we see fentanyl in everything. We see fentanyl in marijuana. And fentanyl is extraordinarily dangerous for a couple of reasons. Number one, its potency. But number two, if you're lucky enough to have a reversal Narcan, if you're lucky enough to have Narcan, you might revive that patient, but then because of the long-acting nature of fentanyl, they go down again. So it's a medication that it went from mostly heroin, and then every now and then you toss in a fentanyl, and that was very dangerous and lethal to a lot of people. Now it's almost all fentanyl, and it's one thing to say how dangerous it is to the individual, but you also, when we're doing detox, fentanyl's a different animal. Um, we have to wait until that patient is in withdrawal before we can use medications like buprenorphine or Suboxone for withdrawal, and fentanyl takes a while to get out of people's systems. And a fentanyl withdrawal is a lot harder than a heroin withdrawal, but it's out there, it's in everything. It's cheaper to make fentanyl than it is to grow poppies, and we're also seeing new products out there that are even worse. It's just a horrible, horrible situation out there.